Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to use rules and actions in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Rules in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing will allow you to perform actions based on various global triggers. When something happens to a nerDigital Chatbot Marketing contact, you can set actions to trigger. Let's use this example. When a tag is applied to a contact, perform an action to start another flow. First, please make sure you already have a flow with a tag like this. Second, create another flow that the bot will send after the user received the tag. Once the flows are ready, it's time to create rules. To do that, navigate to Tools, click Triggers and Actions. Then, click Add Rule. After that, let's add a trigger. In this example, let's choose Tag Applied, and then add an action. Let's start another flow. Once you're good with that, please click Save. Don't forget to turn on the rule after saving. Now, let's preview to test. There you have it. You just learned how to use rules and actions. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.